Hello! My name is Teacher Jenny, and today I will guide you through our Minichat features. You can find the class by tapping the Chat and Phonics button. You will then see the chats available for different planets. What are planets, you might ask? Our planet level system will help you find the best class level for your child. Yellow planet chats are great for beginners. Students will learn new words, short sentences, and beginning conversation skills. Blue planet chats have new vocabulary words and longer sentence patterns. Green planet chats have more advanced vocabulary words and longer sentence frames. In the chat, your child will practice daily conversations with their AI chat buddies. They will be able to hear their own voice and receive automatic feedback on their pronunciation. That's all about the Minichat feature. You can also find out more information on our website or contact us at any time. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.